Do you know how FL Studio has lifetime free updates? Well, I'm proud to announce that I've done that with a sample pack. What do I mean by that? Well, I started a sample pack platform, but you only pay once and you get access to new samples, presets, project files, and more forever. It's called STPL Sounds. Now let me show you a few demo songs from the platform that are also FL Studio project files that you can get, and of course we will be adding more with no extra payments. Also, since it's Christmas, you can use the code Christmas15 to get a $15 discount. This ends this year. But without further ado, here are some demo songs from the STPL Sounds platform that you can also get as FLP files. Enjoy, and make sure to check the link below to access all of this. And there you have it, some amazing FL Studio project files, and that's just the beginning. So check it out, link is below, use the code Christmas15 to get $15 off, and I'll see you there. Goodbye.